Assalamu alaikum to class. Hope you are enjoying your summer vacation. I am going to explain your English summer vacation task. First of all, in week 1 you have to do the reading of Faiza's Biscuit from your book page number 2 to 4, and you have to learn the words meaning on book given on book page 2. The reading and explanation of this particular chapter is done in the classroom as well. Then you have to learn the difficult dictation words which are given. You have to learn the spelling: hungry, empty, people, biscuits, cake, party. How you are going to learn them? You are going to divide them in different chunks. How you are going to learn it? Divide them in chunks. HUN hung, GRY green, hungry. Empty, EMPM, TYT. The word written in black P is silent. You are not going to set it like empty, it's going to be empty. Then you have to solve the worksheet number 1, that is the picture description. Picture description means that you have given a picture and you have to explain what's going on in that particular picture. As you are the student of very initial class, for and making this easy for you, we have given different questions with the pictures. Each picture, you are going to just answer these pictures questions, and that will be in paragraph format, and your picture description will be done. But while doing that, keep some things in your mind, that you are also always going to start a new sentence with capital letter and end it properly full stop, and you have to write the naming word that are noun in capital. For example, I am a girl, then a full stop, and after the full stop the first word M is in capital. My name is M, and then you know my name very well, and the cap ending will be in full stop format. Then come to the week 2, you have to do the reading of mice from the book page number 9 and 10 of your reading circle, that is the small book of yours. Then you have to use the given words: friend, immediately, children, tree, lucky in sentences of your own. Sorry, it's luck. And this you are going to attempt on loose sheets. And then you have to learn the given dictation words. For the week 3, you have to do the reading of the rainbow poem from book page number 8, and they are also given the words meaning on page 8. This you are also going to learn them. Then you are going to make a rainbow on chart with different materials, and that material can be ribbons, scrap paper, computer paper, anything, and you are going to write 5 lines about rainbow. Then you have to learn the dictation words or the spelling. You are going to learn the spelling of all these given words, and you have to at the end you are going to solve the worksheet number 2, that is regarding the noun. Naming words are noun, which I have told you earlier. You are going to write the different names of the given pictures. Then you are going to underline the noun on book page number 8, and that will be your practice, but it will be checked in the classroom as well. For the week 4, you have to do the reading of Ruby's Garden from your reading circle, that will be on your book page 12 to 16. Then you have to learn the given dictation words, and then you have to solve the worksheet number 3, that is regarding the verb. Action words or doing words are going to be called the verb. In the first question, you are going to take out the verb and write it on a given space, and then the second question you are going to match the action with the word written. Then you can underline the verb for practice on Ruby's Garden, anywhere, wherever you found the verb. Then you have to write about your favorite toy on loose sheet, and you have to draw or paste the picture of that as well. For the week 5, you have to do the reading of unit 2 from the book The Trap, and that is on your book page number 12, 13 and 14. And you are going to try to solve the comprehension questions given at the end on the page number 14. Question answers. This you are going to do on your neat notebooks. Then you have to learn the given dictation words, and then you have to solve the worksheet number 4, that is regarding the missing spellings. Okay? There in the question number 1, there is going to be given the picture hint with the missing spelling. You can complete that, and the other one will be general. You are going to solve them easily. Then question number 6 is week number 6, you are going to do the reading of the poem Conversation, that is on your book page number 17, and then you are going to solve the comprehension questions that are on your book page number 18, and this is you're also going to solve them on your notebook. Then you have to learn the given dictation words. Then activity for this week is that you're going to make an eat card for your friend and write eat greetings for him or her. At the end, you have learned 6 week dictation words. You are going to give a test to yourself, and you're going to attach that test with your summer task.